If you're over 30, feeling financially stuck, burned out, and wondering if there is actually a way to make money online without getting scammed, stay right here because this video is exactly for you. Maybe you have been working hard for years, but you still feel like you need more time, more freedom, and more options. Today, I'm sharing 7 real beginner-friendly side hustles you can start learning, even if you are new. And I saved the most powerful one for last, so make sure to watch all the way through. I'm Mary, a mom who spent years managing a gas station, feeling exhausted, underpaid, and like time was just passing me by. I started learning digital marketing, and it completely shifted what I believed was possible for someone like me. I saw that there were new skills I could learn and use to create more choices for my future. This channel is where I share everything I'm learning, so you don't have to figure it all out alone. If you want a head start, the free beginner guide is linked in the description. Grab it after you watch. Okay, let's get into the list. The first side hustle is selling digital products, like printables, planners, or simple templates online. This is one of the easiest ways to start because you do not need to create a physical product, keep stock, or worry about shipping. You create something once, upload it to a platform like Etsy, and people can buy and download it when they need it. For example, you could make a budget planner, a meal planner, a kid's activity sheet, or a simple business template. The key is solving a small problem for someone. Think of it like making a helpful tool that saves another person time. For beginners, this may start small. Some people make their first few sales, while others take time to learn what people want and how to market their products. A realistic beginner range can be anywhere from a few dollars to a few $100s a month as you learn and build. This is best for someone who likes creating things, organizing ideas, designing simple pages, or learning new skills step by step. You do not need to be a professional designer. Many beginners start with simple tools and improve as they go. This is actually one of the first things I looked into when I was trying to figure out what I could do from home without a big budget. At that time, I was looking for something that did not need a lot of money to start. I wanted something I could learn, build slowly, and fit around my life. And that is why I like this first option. It teaches you an important lesson. You do not always need to start with a big business idea. Sometimes, you start by creating something simple that helps one person. The goal is not to get rich overnight. The goal is to learn how online business works, understand what people need, and build your confidence along the way. Now let's move to the next side hustle. The next 2 side hustles are a little different because they are based on skills you can learn and offer to other people. The first one is freelance design or content help using tools like Canva. This means creating things like social media posts, flyers, simple logos, or writing captions for small businesses. The way it works is simple. A business owner may not have time to create content, so they pay someone to help them. You learn the skill, create examples of your work, and start looking for people who need help. The good side is you can start with simple skills and improve over time. You do not need to be an expert from day one. As you get better, you can take on bigger projects. The honest downside is that finding your first clients can take time. You have to practice, show your work, and learn how to talk to people about what you offer. The second one is virtual assistant work. A virtual assistant helps people or businesses with tasks online. This can include replying to emails, booking appointments, organizing files, helping with social media, or doing simple online tasks. Think of it like being an extra pair of hands for someone who is busy. The upside is that many businesses need this kind of help, and it can teach you many useful skills. You learn how online businesses work while helping someone else grow. The downside is that you may need patience in the beginning. You have to build trust, learn new tools, and understand what clients need. I remember looking at options like these and feeling overwhelmed because I didn't know which one was right for me, so I'm going to break it down simply. You do not have to learn everything at once. Pick one skill, practice it, and give yourself time to grow. When I was starting, I learned that the biggest mistake is trying to do 10 things at the same time. It is better to choose one path, understand it, and build from there. These options are not about finding a quick trick. They are about learning skills that people already need and turning those skills into opportunities. The next one is affiliate marketing. Now, I want to be honest about this one because you will see many people talk about it online. Affiliate marketing can work, but it is not always as simple as posting a link and waiting for results. Affiliate marketing means you share a product or service from another company. If someone buys through your special link, you may earn a commission. The idea sounds simple, but the part many beginners miss is that people need a reason to trust you first. You need to learn how to create helpful content, understand your audience, and know how to share products in a way that feels natural. The good side is you do not need to create your own product. You can start by learning marketing skills and helping people find things that solve a problem. But the honest downside is that it can feel slow in the beginning. You may post content and see little or no response. You are also depending on platforms, trends, and algorithms that can change. Honestly, this is where a lot of beginners get stuck, including me. You start promoting things and nothing happens, and you think you're doing something wrong. But many times, the problem is not that the idea does not work. The problem is that there is a missing piece. You need to understand how to attract people, build trust, and create content that connects. It is like planting a seed. You cannot plant it today and expect a tree tomorrow. You have to water it, take care of it, and give it time to grow. If you've been searching for something beginner-friendly and actually doable, the free training in my description walks you through exactly how this works step by step. You don't have to figure this out alone, which is exactly why the next one made so much more sense to me as a beginner. The next one is where things started to make more sense for me. This is selling digital products with master resale rights. Let me explain it simply. A digital product is something people can use online, like a guide, a course, or a training. With master resale rights, you get permission to sell that product and keep the profit from your sales. Instead of starting from zero and creating everything yourself, you can learn from a product that is already made, then focus on sharing it with people who need it. The part one like about this model is that it combines learning with building. You are not only selling something, you are also learning skills like marketing, creating content, and understanding what people are looking for. Of course, like any business, it still takes effort. You need to learn how to reach people, build trust, and show up consistently. A digital product does not sell just because it exists. People need to know why it can help them. This is the one that made everything click for me. When I found the Legacy Builder program, it was the first time I had a real step-by-step system, actual education, and support from people who genuinely wanted to help me succeed. I wasn't just thrown into it and left to figure things out. Before that, I was looking at so many different ideas and feeling unsure about what steps to take first. It felt like trying to build something without a map. Having a clear path helped me understand that online business is not about guessing or chasing every new trend. It is about learning the right skills, taking small steps, and building something one piece at a time. And that is what made this option different for me. I finally felt like I had direction. For someone who is just starting, having the right information and support can make a big difference. Sometimes the hardest part is not the work itself. It is knowing what to do first. This is why I believe beginners should focus on learning before rushing. When you understand the process, you can make better choices and grow with more confidence. The next two options are great for people who enjoy creating content and being creative online. The first one is UGC content creation. UGC means user-generated content. This is when you create simple videos or photos for brands to use. You do not need to be a famous influencer. Brands are looking for normal people who can show how a product works in a real and simple way. You could create a short video showing a product, sharing your experience, or explaining why someone may like it. The focus is not having millions of followers. The focus is creating content that feels real. The good part is you can start by practicing with things you already have at home. The challenge is learning how to make videos that catch attention and finding brands that need your help. The second option is faceless short-form content creation. This means creating videos without showing your face. You can use things like text, images, voiceovers, or simple clips to share information, stories, tips, or ideas. Many people like this because they can build content without feeling nervous about being on camera. It can also help you learn important skills like storytelling, editing, and understanding what people enjoy watching. The honest part is that it still takes time. You need to test ideas, improve your videos, and learn what works. None of these require a degree, a big following, or a lot of money to start. That was one of the biggest things I had to learn. You don't need to be an expert to begin. You just need to be willing to learn, practice, and improve as you go. When I first started looking into online income, I thought I needed to know everything before I could begin. But I learned that most people start with a simple skill, then build from there. The goal is not to be perfect on day one. The goal is to start, learn, and keep moving forward. This is where I want to be very real with you. Since I started this journey, I felt more in control of my time, more hopeful about my future, and for the first time in a long time, I actually feel like I'm building something for me and my family. Before this, my days felt the same. Wake up, work, come home, sleep, and repeat. I was always busy, but I did not feel like I was moving forward in my own life. One of the first changes I noticed was how I started thinking. I stopped feeling like I had no options. I started to believe that I can learn new skills, even as a busy mom, and slowly build something better. Another change was my confidence. Even small progress like learning how one online skill works made me feel stronger. It showed me that I am not stuck where I am right now. I also started to feel more peace in my daily life. Instead of always worrying about money or time, I began focusing on learning and improving one step at a time. That simple shift made a big difference for me. And I have seen other women in the same program go from complete beginners to making their first sales within weeks. Not because it was magic, but because they followed a clear system, stayed consistent, and did not give up too fast. When I see that, it reminds me that change is possible when you have guidance and you stay patient with yourself. This is what I want you to understand. It is not about rushing or being perfect. It is about starting where you are, learning step by step, and giving yourself time to grow. If you are feeling stuck right now, I understand that feeling deeply. But I also know that small actions, done consistently, can slowly change your direction. That is what this journey has done for me. It did not change everything overnight, but it changed how I see my future. Maybe right now you are thinking, I'm not techie. I don't have time. I have tried things before and they did not work. I want you to know something very important. I thought all those same things too. I used to feel like I was not good with online tools. I used to feel like I was too busy with life and work. And I also tried things in the past that did not work out, so I understand that feeling of doubt. But what I learned is this. The problem was not me. The problem was trying to figure everything out alone without a clear system to follow. When you are just guessing, everything feels hard. You do not know what to do first, so you lose energy fast. That is what makes most people stop. But when you have simple steps and support, everything changes. You stop feeling lost and you start knowing what to do next. Starting is always the hardest part. Not because you cannot do it, but because your mind is full of fear and questions. That is normal. What helped me was not trying to be perfect. It was learning one small step at a time and allowing myself to grow slowly. And I want to be honest with you. You do not need to know everything before you begin. You just need to be willing to learn as you go. Support also matters more than people think. When you are not alone in the process, it is easier to keep going even when things feel slow or confusing. So if you are sitting there thinking you are not ready, I want you to know that most people never feel fully ready. They just start anyway and they figure things out along the way. You are not behind. You are just at the beginning of something new. You came to this video because something in you is ready for a change. These 7 side hustles are real. They are beginner friendly. And you do not need to have it all figured out to start. If anything, I hope you now see that there is not just one way to begin. There are simple paths and each one can teach you something valuable if you are willing to try. I'm still on this journey too. But I can tell you that deciding to learn instead of stay stuck was the best decision I made for my family. It did not fix everything overnight, but it gave me hope again. It gave me direction. And it helped me feel like I am building something step by step, not just going through the same cycle every day. And that is what I want for you too. If you want to learn more about the exact program and system I use, the link is in my description. It is a free place to start and there is no pressure. Just go take a look and see if it feels right for you. And I really want to hear from you. Tell me in the comments which of these 7 side hustles felt most realistic for you. I read every single comment and I love seeing where people are starting from. And if you are new here, subscribe because this is just the beginning of what we are building together. You do not have to rush. You just have to start.